English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Welcome back, Feifei. Good holiday?
The best, Neil. We flew to Mexico, then up to California, and then drove all the way across the states from LA to New York.
Incredible. All in 1 week?
Yes, it's just that
What?
I can't help thinking all that travelling can't be great for the environment.
I know. You must have a pretty big carbon footprint right now.
Enormous.
Let's take a moment to explain this phrase, carbon footprint, then plan what to do about it.
Carbon dioxide is a gas that contributes to climate change.
And your carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide you produce through your activities. Things like how much electricity you use.
How much oil and gas you use.
What you eat is another factor. And of course, your trips by car, plane, and so on.
If you take a lot of flights, then you have a large carbon footprint, like me.
And me. And the people in these examples.
I use the air conditioning non-stop all summer. My carbon footprint must be huge.
Martina has the highest carbon footprint of all her colleagues. She drives everywhere, flies every weekend, and eats nothing but red meat.
I downloaded an app to calculate my carbon footprint. The results are pretty shocking.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this programme is carbon footprint. OK, we've heard the examples, and Neil, I have a plan. It's time to reduce my footprint.
Great. That's the verb we normally use. Reduce. We talk about reducing our carbon footprint by changing the way we live. So, what's the plan?
I'm going to cycle to work, use less heating in winter, and I've got these new shoes.
Great. But shoes?
They're made of recycled plastic. Fantastic, aren't they?
Well, that's one way to reduce your footprint.
I even bought you a pair, a little present from my trip to LA.
You're so kind. I can wear them when I'm in Tokyo this weekend and Paris next week. Oh, and Iceland tomorrow. Only kidding.
Yes, I want to hear your plan to reduce your carbon footprint, Neil.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.